What a day, what a day, what a day. The hot weather has finally broken. And you can actually ride your bike without turning into a puddle. Or you can be just take the risk and hope you don't need a skin graft. Anyway, what are we talking about today? It could be bikes, it could be cars. It could be going for a long ride. It could be COVID-19. It could be sitting at social distancing in pubs and eating your grub. Taking your dogs for a walk. Come on. I'm sure that used to be a church hall. West Clandon. Yay! The sort of place I could never afford to live. It's funny, I come through here with very rarely. I used to come through every Saturday and Sunday. But now, yeah, hardly ever. Oh, bloody hell, there's traffic lights. But I used to like dream about owning a house here, you know, with like a double garage and that. And it's like, yeah, never land, eh? Definitely not going to be one of those percenters. It's weird, the part of town I live in, which is a few miles away from here at least, is expensive. So my poxy little house is a ridiculous amount of money. But you put up with it because you've got kids and you want them to go to a decent school, or allegedly decent school. COVID-19, all schools are equal. Yeah, that's another story, isn't it? And if I sold it and moved out this direction, I still wouldn't be able to afford one of these big houses. But I could definitely afford a house that would have a garage, for example, more than one bedroom that could fit a double bed in. The one bedroom that can fit a double bed in, just, you know, you can fit it in. You just side shuffle down the sides of it, you know. But yeah, it's funny. You look at all this and you think, yeah, what do these people do for livings? You know, not everybody's earning a whacking wage. Do they? It's just, what do they do? You know, because where I live, the top earners in the business are how can we say, not massive. And everybody else is on, you know, decent wages, really, but not wages that are going to give you a decent house, shall we say. You'll survive, you won't die. So I don't get it, how so many big houses, like, who's living in them? You're in two emotions when you send your kids back to school now. It's like, yes, they're going back to school and freedom, bit of peace and quiet. And at the same time thinking, no, going back to school. You know, you really are. You're thinking, no, they're bound to, you know, someone in the school is going to have COVID-19. That is just obvious. And it's going to seep out into the rest of the school. And, you know, then it's going to seep out into the community. Then local lockdown's going to come in. Everybody knows this is going to happen. People are going to get sick, and you know, the infection rate, the death rate, everything, it's all going to spike again. But you know, what can you do? You can't like not have kids having their education. You know, they've already missed so much, and you're going to have a generation that have just got nothing. You know. Welcome to the Surrey Hills, area of outstanding natural beauty.